we're going over joining Google Classroom. And it's a pretty straightforward thing. You guys may have already done it a few times, which is good. But this is just your little refresher in case you need some help joining. Okay, so we're going to start on a fresh page so that way you can see it start to finish. To get to Google Classroom, you're going to click on the gray waffle in the top right corner. So it has 9 little gray black dots. You're going to click on that. That shows you a bunch of different options for how to, like options that you can use, Google Docs, Sheets, all of that. Today we're interested in Classroom. So you're going to go ahead and click the one that it's a green box with little people in it. You're going to click that. Now this is your home screen to all of your classrooms. Any classroom you've joined is going to be listed here, which is really helpful because they're all in one spot. Now there's 2 ways that you can join a classroom. The first one is if a teacher has emailed you asking you to join. Now, before you worry that you're going to have to go through all your emails, and there's a million from Google Classroom, there's another way to do it. So if you've been invited by a teacher to join, it automatically shows up on this home page. So you can see over here, I've been invited to join Home and Careers Thursday, Friday, 7th grade class. Okay? And the little box will pop up, and you'll know you haven't joined yet because these 2 little buttons are on the bottom, decline and join. You're going to want to click the blue join button. And that one allows you to become a member of the class. So if you click it, you only have to do this part once, and then it's added to your library of classes until the class is all done. So you can see, and now I have access to all the information there that I need, my classwork, all of that. Now to get back to your library of classes, your home page, you click on the 3 little lines in the top left, click classes, and that gets you right back to this main page. There's a second way to join. So if you're not joining by email, you might join by code. So each of these classes have a unique code just for them. And you can join using that code. So I'm going to use the North Rose-Wolcott High School Classroom as an example. Now this Google Classroom, all of you should join. It's amazing. There's a lot of resources and reminders. It's a good way to have a community. If you're feeling a little disconnected, like I think a lot of us are because of virtual and hybrid the situation, this is a great way to start, feeling more connected to the school and to your classmates and your teachers. We all miss you very much. So anyway, to get the class code, I'm going to click here. Your teacher might email you the class code. They might tell you. Like I said, definitely join the North Rose-Wolcott High School class. It's amazing. The join code is N3AOYSW. Now I'm going to copy this code. And from here, I'm going to go back to my home page because you won't have access to that part. So we've got the code. And like I said, your teacher might email you the code. They might tell you the code. But once you have that, it's really easy to join. So you're looking at your main page, your main home page for Google Classroom. You might notice there's a plus button in the top right corner. That's a very important button. You're going to click the plus button. And then you're going to join a class. That's the set of words you're going to select. Now this is what will pop up for you. And you see a spot where it says class code. You're going to type in your code. And once it registers the code, you notice that a blue button that says join pops up. You're going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to let you join. Now it says something went wrong because I'm already a part of that class. So it's not going to let me. But when you click join, it will take you right into the class just like the other way did. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, simple. You go to your main page, plus button, and you join your class. type in your code, and then you click the blue button in the top right. If you have any questions, you need any help, please email me at ajohnson@nrwcs.org. Okay? Have a great day, everybody.